All right, America, I got great news for you. This young lady, last name Birdsong. I told you she's the singer. She's the singer I was telling y'all about in the previous video. Listen, she just got herself this. Let me show y'all. Bam! Can y'all see that? Can I see that?
I don't know if you can.
I don't know if they can see it. I don't know. We don't know. But it's a Volkswagen convertible. It's bad. It's nice. It's smooth. What you think? You like it?
I think it's awesome.
So, on your next song, make sure you say, Economy Plus Auto Sales.
Yeah, exactly like that, of course. 100%.
Is that how good? Was that? You think I could do on the voice?
That was great.
He's a little jealous.
Hey, wait a minute. But that's not it. Mark is here too. Mark got all the way here. No, Mark is here too. Everybody's here. And look at Uncle Rico.
What's up, baby?
He's actually, put him in the fourth quarter. Look, he's actually doing manual labor. Look at him.
I can't get this on, though.
It's been like 2 hours since he's trying to put a plate on. But guys, if you see this young lady driving down, where y'all live?
Oak Park.
In Oak Park. You see her rolling down in a black convertible. Y'all give her the high five from far away. That Beetle high five. Yay!
Yeah.
All right? So we see y'all later. If you see her, make sure you give her a high five.
Amazing.
Anything you want to tell America?
Come here.
You heard her. Come
Economy
here.
Plus Auto Service, auto shop.
Auto sales, auto shop,
sales,
auto
right.
everything, baby. America. Wait. No, Economy Plus Auto Sales.
Yeah,
See?
yeah,
She's
you're
singing.
good.
I told you, we're singers here. I'm a musical prodigy. I'll talk to y'all later.
Right.